Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to resolve the issue Bluetooth driver is missing in device manager. So let me show you the error first. Go to Bluetooth and other devices. Now you can see here I'm not getting the option on off button, and when I go to device manager, press Windows plus R button together and type at dev mgmt.msc. You can see here there is no Bluetooth option here. So if you are getting the same issue, this video is for you. I will show you how you can resolve this issue. Sometimes it is hidden by default. So go to view, then click on show hidden devices. Now you should see the Bluetooth. If not, then move to the first method. We should try the Windows by default troubleshooter, which can fix the Bluetooth related issue, and many other related issue can be fixed with the troubleshooter. Click on start menu, then click on setting, update and security option. Now scroll it down from left. You can see here the troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on additional troubleshooter now. Now scroll it down and you will see the option Bluetooth. Run the troubleshooter first. This is the recommended option you should try before applying any methods. It comes with by default in Windows 10, 8 and 11. So it can fix automatically the issue. Device does not have Bluetooth. Okay, click on next. Okay, close the troubleshooter. Now this is unable to fix the problem. So for adding the Bluetooth device, go to Google. Okay, we need to install the Bluetooth driver. For that, I have a Intel Bluetooth driver. Hit enter. Now you should see many options. You need to look for the second option, and you can also try the first option. Okay, choose here the latest one. Okay, then scroll it down. You can see the option download. Okay, Windows 11 10. So this is for 64-bit and for 32-bit also. So download this option. Click on accept. It is downloading now. You can also try this option, automatic driver and software updates. If you are not able to download the driver, okay, then click on get started. Automatically install this. This will automatically detect all the missing driver and fix those. Double click on it to run. Click on yes option. When prompt opens, click on yes. Click on next. Click on next. Click on accept terms and condition. Click on next. Choose this option, typical, and install it. Click on finish and restart your system. Okay, you need to restart your system once the installation is done. You can see the option Bluetooth on off switch is now on, and I can add the option as well. So If Intel option is not working on your Windows, what you can do is you need to go to the another tab and you need to have system model number. So how you can get the system model number? Press Windows plus R button together, MS info 32, hit OK. Once you are on MS info 32, you need to go for this option, system model number. Type this model number here, HP Pavilion into 360 convertible, whatever option you have. So let me type Bluetooth driver. Okay. Then click on manufacturer website. And choose your operating system here. Select your version, bit. Click on submit. You can also choose this option, detect my driver. This will automatically detect all the drivers, missing driver on your Windows and update automatically. So you can also try this option. Otherwise, you can choose this option. Okay. Then look for network, driver network. Now you will see here the Bluetooth driver. It is Realtek RT. Click on download. Click on no, I will thanks. It is also downloading. You need to double click on the setup, which I have already told you this one, and restart your system once all the installation is done. I'm cancelling this process right now. So you need to update the driver like this and close this option. Your issue should be fixed. If your issue is still not fixed, you need to make sure that Bluetooth service is running. For that, go to taskbar setting here, then click on task manager option, then click on here services. Now click on here open services. After that, look for Bluetooth related service, this option, Bluetooth audio gateway. Make sure its status is running now. If not, then right click on it, go to properties, select automatic and start the service. Okay, start it, apply, okay, and also restart the service. After that, Bluetooth support survey, make sure running, double click on it, and automatic should be running as well. Also you can restart it. Bluetooth user support, also restart this option. And once 3 services are restarted, you need to make sure that Bluetooth is running or not. So this is how you can troubleshoot the option. This is the software I have told you. If the hardware issue you have, you can shut down your system, then remove the power cable and press the power key for 30 seconds, and then again replug the power, okay, and remove the USB, all the USB, and restart your system. Your issue will be fixed. So hope that your issue is fixed now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.